Today we have something new and different. This is a Lamborghini Huracan. How badass does that look? From Aoshima. Never done an Aoshima before. Looks really great. I got this from Hobbytown, USA. Was there taking a look and came across this. Let's open it up. See what's inside again. As always, sorry for the crinkling noise. Alright, let's take a look in here. The box is huge. Alright, so these look like some panels for the body and some clear parts already painted in orange and red. Next is the glass. And the glass looks really good. Hope you can see that. I don't see any scratches on there, which is good. Then we have a sprue with a couple of white parts thrown in there. Let's take a look at what this is. This looks like the front of the car, the back of the car, sprue here. It looks pretty well detailed. Engine parts, center console looks great, steering wheel, trim for the body. Oh, it looks really good. Alright, another sprue. Let's see, some chrome, and the chassis tub. Oh, this looks really detailed. The seats look good too. Another sprue. Let's see. Some wheels. They are some great looking wheels. Oh, this kit looks really great. And some engine parts. Another sprue. Chassis. Looks really good as well. Wow. This is a cool looking model. And another set of wheels. I think I get the choice of two different sets of wheels. Brakes, really detailed as well. Wow. Tires. Small decal sheath and window masks. Awesome. I like that. And then here's the body. Let's put this in. Take a quick look. Here's the body. I don't see any mold lines. A lot of sprue points to cut out. But this looks really great, I'll be honest with you. And here's the instruction manual. Nice book, I like the books. And it is 30 steps long. The instruction manual looks great. And the colour call out is in Mr. Hobby. Wow, okay, let's see how this comes out. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm kind of excited about this one actually. Fingers crossed. and here is the finished model. Am I totally happy with it? No. Paint didn't come out so great. A little bit of like bubbling, just not perfect. But I think that it's a great kit. Word of warning: the back end is a complete nightmare. The glass in the back, so for the taillights, make sure you spend some time on that, double checking the instructions because they don't really make sense. And that was the difficult part. I actually spent a few hours trying to get the rear taillights in. But again, thanks everybody for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are, whether you like it, whether you don't like it. This side glass isn't the easiest to get in either, but I think with the colour and the way the model looks, it looks honestly quite fantastic. It's going to look really good in a display case. So again, everybody, thanks for watching, and be safe. Thank you.